make an off-leash canine. Boise, meet Poppy. Poppy is our newest 1-week freedom board and train. She is a 9-month-old Goldendoodle. The owners bring her to us because they say they love her a lot. She's just a rowdy puppy. You notice that she loves to jump. The owners say that she also likes to chew up things. So that place command is going to be really important for them. Right now they have her in her crate when they can't have direct supervision over her because she gets into everything. So they want to make sure that she can be part of the family. They also say she knows some basic commands, sit, lay down, and shake, but she won't really do them when there's a lot of distractions around. The other thing that they struggle with is she can be reactive on walks. She'll bark and pull towards new people and new dogs. So we want to make sure that she's paying attention to us in all different situations with distractions. And she also can be a little bit nervous. So building confidence is going to be important for her. So stay tuned for her transformation. Good girl, Miss Poppy.